Under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, 2023, community service is introduced as a punishment alongside imprisonment or fines for 6 specific offences. Section 202, Public servants unlawfully engaging in trade. Section 209, Failure to appear in response to a legal proclamation. Section 226, Attempting suicide to influence the exercise of lawful authority. Section 303(2), First-time theft, if the stolen property is valued under Rs. 5,000 and returned. Section 355, Drunken misconduct in public. Section 356(2), Defamation. 1. Parvez Jilani Sheikh E. State of Maharashtra, 2015, the court directed the accused to perform community service at BARC hospital as part of their punishment. 2. Sunita Gandavi, State of Madhya Pradesh, 2020, the court, citing Section 437(3) CPC, imposed community service as an innovative reformatory condition, aligning with the accused's capacity and willingness. 3. Manoj Kumar V. State, Government of NCT of Delhi, 2022, the accused was ordered to perform community service at Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan Hospital every weekend for 1 month. These cases reflect the judiciary's growing focus on rehabilitation through community service. 1. Introduction of community service in BNS 2023, for the first time, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, 2023 introduces community service as a form of punishment, focusing on rehabilitation and reintegration of offenders rather than punitive measures. 2. Purpose of community service: it holds offenders accountable, allows them to contribute to society, reduces prison burden, and promotes their rehabilitation. 3. Eligibility: community service is reserved for minor, non-violent crimes and first-time offenders, ensuring the punishment fits the crime. 4. Judicial discretion: judges have discretion in imposing community service, considering the nature of the offense, case circumstances, and the offender's background. 5. Duration and nature: the court decides service hours based on offense severity, and tasks are chosen to benefit the community, such as cleaning public spaces or working with NGOs.